Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alert, never get in and out of plays. Hit me up on Instagram at the B Hayes Show _ inbox me, join. And also feel free to hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute phone call full of value, full of gems. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. Dive right into it. Share my opinion on the overall market, AMC. See what's going on. As we know, everybody should know by now, it seems as if the meme stock frenzy may be approaching again. It may be coming back. Something may be fueling. This is not a hype video, hype beast to hype it up and say, oh, bye, 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 bye. It's about to do its thing. No, not at all. Everyone should always and keep the same perspective when it come down to any stock in particular. If you got money to gamble and just throw away, that's a different thing. Put your money on it, kudos. But if you trying to do things smart, treat trading, treat investing like a business as it should be done as such, then you want to be strategic and you want to be smart about doing what you do. So in a play like AMC, you shouldn't be going all in or putting majority of your portfolio up on it. You should have a small percentage of your portfolio on any given play, and even a smaller percentage on a play like AMC. We know how manipulated it is. They've been holding the stock back for going on 3 years now. And it's insane to me. Like I said in my other video, it's very insane the type of character, morals, dignity that the ape community have. I'm telling you guys, these people haven't gone nowhere. They haven't gone anywhere. Even though it's gotten quiet, nobody haven't been talking about it. Because like I told you, I wasn't about to continue to just make videos every single day. Ain't nothing happening. We know they manipulating and just sitting at $4 and $5. Ain't just about to, try to compensate off something that's just to keep something going. Just talking about it for no reason, basically. That ain't trying to do that. See, during the moment while it was running up, the momentum was there, the energy was there. Of course, we got to keep it going. But after everything kind of died off, it still was on the back burner. Just keep an eye on it. And even this year, during options, when AMC was trading around $5 range, $6 range, and it shot to $8. It already shot to $8. The same way it shot to $8 now, it did that a few months ago. I don't know if you remember or not. But I always seem to watch it right before the takeoff and get in and capitalize off the big move up. The last time I did that, I put like $2,000 or $3,000 in, made $10,000 off there, rip up, and that was big, a big moment. So as we know, guys, like I said, you want to be grounded, you want to be smart. Don't get your hopes up, don't get ahead of yourselves, and know that a community is behind this stock though. AMC is like right here we got AMC Entertainment is held by more Robinhood users than any other stock listed on a major U.S. exchange. It's held by more users than any other stock that's listed. That right there in itself, I already let you know. Like, people haven't gone anywhere. Over 1 million people is watching this stock daily. That's crazy. And it's one of the highest viewing stocks that's out there. Like, probably over 500,000, nearly at 500,000 people is actively watching this stock, guys, for the past 2 years, 2.5 years. Like, that's crazy. So like we know, guys, AMC did take off on Friday, up over 85%. And it's crazy how Monday, I told you guys I waiting for that pullback. I always wait for that pullback. Don't get caught up in that hype and buy on a run up, because you're going to lose your confidence and you ain't going to feel the same when it dip and pull back the way it did. Imagine people that bought in the after hours at $7.50, $8, and now today all their confidence lost. They like, dang, I thought it was going on. I don't know what's happening now. And then it done gave back all those gains, shot down, stayed down, and then you guys see how they won't let it run during the day, because that's going to cause even more FOMO. The stock, like, if they would have let that move happen on Friday to 85% during the day, the stock would have went even further than that. It would have went to probably $12, $15, maybe even further, because of the FOMO, the build on top of build, the shorts covering, the buying pressure from more apes, from new apes, from apes that's already in. All that would have combined and caused it, a big explosion. So they know what they be doing. That's why today, how it pulled all the way back and now it's grinding back up, looking like it's ready to go back up and possibly retest that 8, possibly go even higher, right? But when they do it, pretty sure it'd be probably going in from one day to the next or during after hours to where they can, during after hours, the dark pool can affect the price as much as it affected during the regular trading hours. And also, halts isn't going to be as severe in regular trading hours. And after hours, they're not going to be as severe, and the stock could actually run the way it did on Friday. So you definitely want to, be on the lookout for AMC though, guys. And shout out to VIP member, guys. He said, bro, you're insane with the calls. I would have made $900. I pressed the sell button too late. LOL made $600 though. A win is a win. That's great. And he just getting into options. He wasn't even sure how to. He said, is that going to be a sell call? Sorry, I'm new to this. Right at the top. He's 100% new. So I'm like, and I got to talk to him because he did great, but I don't know why he put up so much money on it when he don't even really know what he's doing exactly yet. He didn't know if he was clicking on the right thing or not. He was just following my alert, but it paid off well for him. But he got to be, if you're watching this video, be more careful. Don't be putting that much size in, especially if you're new. At the beginning, a lot is going to be a learning experience anyway. You're going to be getting data, seeing where you good at, seeing where you bad at, seeing what resonates, taking what works, sticking to it, taking what don't, getting rid of it. And so that's what the beginning is going to look like. Don't too much focus on the money, the dollar amount, but rather focus on the process, getting the quality setups, doing quality plays. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a further look, see what's going on with the overall market. Stocks rise with big tech earnings about this week, guys. We got a lot of earnings that's approaching. VIP members, I'm going to alert another banger play that I think is going to go crazy this week. So Fed's decision is in focus. Stock market news today. Stocks rose during midday trading on Monday as investors bided their time waiting for the crucial week of earnings to kick off and for a key policy decision from the Federal Reserve. So as we know, guys, the Feds may also raise rates once or twice more this year. As they raise rate, that's going to put a little fluctuation on the overall market. So be on the lookout for that as well. So investors are also bracing for the Fed's interest rate decision at the end of its policymaker meeting on Wednesday. Whether they're going to raise rates this month, which I think they will. So you guys already know. Let's go ahead and take a look at the current price action now. See what's going on. AMC is sitting at $5.92. They steady trying to hold it back. We need to jump back over that 6 and go and retest that 619, 620 area, guys, and go and create a new high of the day. If it holds up, we need to get over 6 before the close. Nice day today overall, though. Even at lunchtime, if you notice, AMC grinded up and trended up. It came from 550 area up to past 6 during lunchtime. And then it held. It pretty much held those gains. It dipped to 585, 584. But it pretty much held those gains throughout the remaining of the day, which is a great sign for continuation. Volume is phenomenal. Over 250 million shares has been traded on today, guys. So you already know that this definitely should be a lot higher with, I know, all the hype. The people that seen what happened on Friday, they was prepared today to get in at a good price. And, they definitely trying to suppress that price. So we also know the Barbie movie, they trying to put it out like it got something to do with it. It does a little bit. Well, I ain't say it does a little bit, but main thing that has something to do with it, though, is definitely the judge postponing the conversion. So by them putting that on a back burner for now, because they still going to bring it back up, but by it being postponed right now, that definitely had a trigger effect with the overall stock movement. But like I told you guys, it'd be multiple things combined in one. The stock naturally was already destined and in line to go up as well. Look at the overall market, all these stocks, Carvana, Tesla, you name it, they up big in the past few months. AMC has been stagnant, sitting at that same $4 or $5 level. Ain't did nothing. So it's kind of already overdue as well. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the BH Show. Get in VIP. Love y'all. We go.